Scientists simplify the mosaic into a model called the ocean conveyor belt. In this model, deep cold currents are shown in blue, and warmer surface currents in red. The conveyor belt begins in the Atlantic near the North Pole. Deep cold water travels south toward Antarctica. Then, the cold water rises back towards the surface and gets warmer. The warmer currents return north toward the Arctic, where the cycle begins again. It all sounds fast, but in fact, the journey can take as long as 1,000 years. We call the ocean by many names: Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, but it's really one massive body of water, a global system connected by currents. Without the ocean, Earth would be a very different place. A furnace by day, and freezing by night. Every day, Earth gets bathed in heat from the sun. Water in the ocean absorbs most of that heat. In this view of Earth, we're looking at sea surface temperatures over a 2-year period. Red is warm, blue is cool. The closer to the equator, the warmer the water. Warm ocean water can trigger violent storms. Depending on their geographical location, these violent storms go by different names: hurricane, cyclone, or typhoon. But they are the same powerful phenomenon, with a spiral shape and a central eye. Let's dissect just 1 month in the planet's history. On one side of the globe, Hurricane Katrina devastated the southern United States. While at the same time, on the other side, Typhoon Nagi pummeled Japan. Violent winds tore apart buildings, highways battered shorelines. Heavy rains triggered massive flooding inland. As the storms spent their fury, property worth billions of dollars was destroyed. Hundreds of thousands of people were made homeless, and thousands lost their lives. Changes in sea surface temperatures affect weather patterns worldwide. The most well-known example is a naturally occurring cycle called El Niño-La Niña. El Niño happens when there is a warming in sea surface temperatures across the eastern equatorial Pacific. La Niña is the opposite, a cooling in these sea surface temperatures. This cycle affects weather from Indonesia to the west coast of South Africa, a distance nearly halfway around the world. The cycle brings droughts to some areas and heavy rains to others. Ours is an ocean planet. The interplay of water and atmosphere shapes our weather and our climate, making all life possible.